Hey, what's going on YouTube? I want to do a review on the CR Lawrence Automotive Products, their power slider electric rear window. I guess the model number for this is going to be 4920698. Anyway, I'm doing this because before I purchased this rear sliding window, I couldn't find any reviews. I couldn't find no videos or nothing about it. So I said, hey, once I get it installed, I'm going to do a video for people like me that's wondering about this window. I really like this window. It is really nice on my GMC Sierra here, 2017 model. I haven't gotten any compliments yet because I really haven't been anywhere since I got this window put in. I'm thinking about taking this off right there. We'll do this to power slider. Name of the company. I'll also put a link in here where you can purchase this window at. And the people that make it, CR Lawrence Automotive Products. But the CR Lawrence, I've learned, do a lot of type of window stuff, shower windows, everything. They do it all. Let me show you how this works. Keep in mind, it's just me, so it's not gonna have the good full effect if I had my partner here with me to show down to do it. My wife. All right. This hope I got my keys on. Yeah. This is. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. I'm gonna put it down for a minute because I'm sitting on my keys. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Now I can't edit none of this, so it is what it is. You are gonna get it how you get it. But this is like the up and down for the window. The window is currently closed now. So I hit this button here. You probably can hear it opens it up. Right here, it closes it up. It's not a one touch where you open it. If you as you open it, you stop. You stop you stop far as how far and far and close you want the window. Like this here. Me, I'm just gonna hit it to the open all the way up. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera around and let you all look at it. Hold on, y'all. Remember, I said that there's not going to be no editing to this because I'm not a professional cameraman when it comes to video. All right, let me close it. I got my hand on it, finger on it. Close. Let me open it back up. All right, let me close it like halfway. Close. Take my finger off. I want it closed some more. Put my finger on press. Up, stop. Open it up a little bit more. Up. This is how this works right here. So let me go to the back of the truck so you all can see how it looks with it wide open. Woo. What a beautiful day in the South. Memphis, Tennessee. All right, here you go. Right here. Ooh, look, I can see the radio. I messed with the camera settings. Open it back up. This is how it looks with it wide open. All right, thank you for looking. Hope this helps somebody. Bye-bye.